Mulch washing away or decomposing too quickly can totally mess up your garden game, but you can fix it with some easy tricks. Alright, so first off, when you're picking mulch, go for the heavier stuff like hardwood or bark mulch because they stick around way longer and don't blow away with the wind. Next, set up some edging around your garden beds. It's like a little barrier that keeps the mulch in place and stops it from sliding off when it rains. Also, don't pile mulch too close to your plant's stems or trunks, because that can cause rot and actually make your plants sick. Make sure you spread it out about 2 to 3 inches thick. Too thin, and it won't do much. Too thick, and water might have trouble reaching the soil. Water your mulch occasionally to help it break down slower and nourish the soil better. If you notice your mulch breaking down fast, try mixing in some compost or pine needles to slow decomposition. Lastly, top off your mulch every year in early spring to keep things looking fresh and effective. One of the biggest problems people run into with mulch washing away is not having any edging, which makes mulch scatter everywhere during heavy rain or wind. Fix that by installing plastic or metal edging around your beds. Another mistake is using lightweight mulch like straw or cedar chips in windy spots. That stuff just flies off, so swap it for heavier hardwood mulch to keep it put. And a lot of folks pile their mulch too thick right by their plants, which can trap moisture and cause root rot. Just keep a little space clear around stems and spread the mulch evenly instead. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the headache of endless searching. It also helps contractors connect with more clients who actually need their services, making the whole process way smoother for everyone.